55 over x plus 6 equal to x. What is the positive solution to the given equation? So we have to solve this equation and then we have to write our answer as the positive value of x that we get. Okay, so now if you solve this equation, that is 55 over x plus 6, that is equal to x, right? It is given. Now by cross multiplication, what we can write? 55 equal to x squared plus 6x, right? By rewriting this equation, we can write as x squared plus 6x minus 55, that equals 0. Now to solve this equation, either you can use the factorization method or you can use the quadratic formula to get the value of x. Let's factorize this one. So this 55, right? A times c, if you do, a times c is minus 55 and the sum of the two terms should be 6, right? Okay, so p plus q should be equal to 6 and p times q, p plus q is equal to 6. Okay, p plus q is equal to 6 and p times q, that equals minus 55, right? So if you work out, right, if you see here, the product of two terms is negative. It means one term has to be negative, other has to be positive, and the term with a greater value, that should be negative, that should be positive, because your p plus q is positive, right? So you can write this as, if you split this 11 times 5, right? So 11, if you take positive and minus 5 as negative, you will get 6. So you can write this as x squared plus 11x minus 5x, right? If you subtract, you will get 6x minus 55, that equals 0. Now taking common factor from the first two terms, we can write x times x plus 11, and taking the common factor from the last two terms, we can write minus 5 times x plus 11, that equals 0. Now this x plus 11, you can see that is a common factor, so you can take it out. So x plus 11 times x minus 5, that equals 0. Now using the zero product property, you can see that the product will be 0 when x plus 11 is 0 or x minus 5 is 0, right? So you will get the value of x as, okay, one value you will get minus 11, other value you will get 5. Okay, so since you have to give the positive solution, so your answer will be x equal to 5. This is the correct answer. Okay.